In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable the night mode camera on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So in the camera app, when you launch it, anytime you are in a dark place, so let me just put my hand over the camera just to simulate a dark place, you will see this button right here. Okay, now that's the dark mode button. It appears there anytime you're in a dark environment. So you can see when you're in a well-lit environment, it disappears. Anytime you're in a dark environment, it appears. So once it appears, you can tap on it, and then that's going to enable 1 second of exposure. So when you take your night mode picture, it's gonna need to get exposed for up to a second. Okay, now you can increase that depending on the lighting situation you have. So just tap on this little arrow here. That's going to give you more options, and you can tap on that, and then you can change, you can reduce that. First of all, you can turn it off like that, or you can increase to maximum. So the darker it is, the more options you get. So you can see we have a maximum of 3 seconds for extremely dark situations. So you tap the photo, you have to wait for 3 seconds for it to be fully exposed, and then that's your night mode photo. So that's basically how to enable night mode photos on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. You can see when it's completely dark, you can actually expose it to up to 30 seconds. Okay, as soon as you get light, it disappears. So that is basically how to turn on night mode in the camera app of your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.